Hi guys. Actually, right now in my room, just want to video what is going on right now in New York. We are having blizzard, and it's actually like heavy snow right now, and there's the plow guy trying to put more salt on the street. And this is actually our driveway. Snow is coming down like really hard. As of now, I really don't know how many inches is the snow right now, but from what I heard, it's gonna be like about 10 inches or more. It's actually like windy and like wind and gust. There's the plow truck passing by. It's gonna be like this all night. There's another truck. Oh, and there you go, Philippines.